Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 divided by 2 parenthesis 2 plus 1. So how can we find the value of this? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 30 seconds. But if you are a student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation like division, multiplication, subtraction and addition. So firstly we can solve parentheses. So 6 divided by 2 into 3. Now here multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So 6 divided by 2 guys equal to 3 time 3. Now here 3 times 3 equal to 9. This is the final answer of this expression. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of videos. Thanks for watching.